Hello Adobe Express users, want to make your video stand out with smooth transitions? I have got you covered. Let's dive in. First, open Adobe Express and go to your video project. Tap on the video timeline at the bottom of the screen where you have added your clips. You'll see small icons between each video clip. Tap on the transition icon between two clips. A variety of transition effects will pop up. Choose the one that fits your vibe, whether it's a fade, slide, or zoom effect. Adjust the timing and style of the transition to suit your video. Once you're happy, save your project. Use transitions to make your video flow seamlessly and keep your audience engaged. If transitions are lagging, check the video resolution or preview your project before finalizing. What's your favorite type of transition to use in videos? Let me know in the comments. If this tutorial helped, hit the like button, share it, subscribe, and leave a comment below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.